Good morning from Animal Kingdom. We're getting into the parking lot. Took way longer than getting into the actual park area. We're gonna go experience some holiday magic, Animal Kingdom style.
That is an okapi. You might think that the okapi is related to the zebra, since they do have their black and white party pants on. But okapis are actually the only known relatives of the giraffe. Saddle-billed storks are also some of the tallest birds in the forest. They can grow to be about 5 feet tall. That copper-colored coat all the way on the top of the hill are called bongos. They are known as the ghosts of the forest since they camouflage really well with their surroundings. And then there are some greater kudus over to the left as well. Now I don't see any horns on at least one Nile hippopotamus sticking out of the water there. Hippos usually spend the majority of their day in the water, even sleeping completely beneath the surface, since they can hold their breath for several minutes at a time. Maybe left. You see that the cold weather's kind of working in our favor. We get a pretty awesome view of this float of hippos. Now just remember, friends, I do need you to remain fully seated at all times for me. Thank you so much, just for your safety. Also to the left, crocodiles are very powerful predators. And they are some of the largest living reptiles. They can grow to be about 16 feet long from their stripe patterns. But did you know that every single stripe pattern is completely unique to each zebra? Kind of like how our human fingerprints are unique to each one of us. And the breast, that's the one that's kind of laying down in that little patch. Shorter grass. Yeah, so that's one of 2 baby zebras that was born here over the summer on the savannah. Now baby zebras make sure to memorize their mother's unique pattern. They do this memorization and only can measure up to 6 feet from tip to tip. Now good views on both sides though. Over to the right, just to the right of the cave, there are some African painted dogs all laying down in the sunshine there. Beautiful painted patterns that they have on their coats. And although they are pretty adorable sleeping in this morning, don't let the cuteness fool you though. They are excellent hunters. Now in addition to a few more Ankole cattle to the left, further toward the back, those are the sable antelopes. Sable antelopes are the official emblem of the Harambe Wildlife Reserve, because just as they are very protective over their herds and their young, we are protective over the animals here on the reserve. Animals like the zebra and the wildebeest. Right there. Sleep. Now there is another animal out there to the right that we haven't talked about yet. It's those antelopes with the tan colored coat kind of toward the top of the hill. Those are called elands. Elands are the #1 largest antelopes on the reserve, measuring about 6 feet tall at their shoulders. Now, of course, the height of the elands does not even come close to the height of those giraffes. Giraffes are the tallest animals in the world, measuring about 20 feet tall once they're fully grown. So to put their height into perspective, that's just a little bit taller than these safari trucks.
That giraffe's eating out of its little food thing up there.
The big one!
Over to the right, there are 2 African elephants. Oh, I think they're actually 3 out there. So that's a pretty good indication that these are females. Now male elephants, they tend to live a solitary lifestyle, whereas females will typically live in pretty large herds or groups together, and that's where they raise the young. Now those elephants also looked a little bit smaller in size too. Female elephants only weigh in around 8,000 pounds, whereas male elephants can weigh in up to 13,000. Well, I'm really happy that we caught a glimpse of this female group, especially because elephants are considered an endangered species, mainly due to things like the poaching of their ivory tusks and because of significant habitat loss. But luckily, there are a lot of organizations out there that do some cool work to try to help these animals out. So prehensile is a fancy word that just means finger-like. So elephants can bend and stretch their trunks in any direction that they choose. So they also like to use those trunks to drink and to splash mud or water up onto their backs. Now there actually is a little baby elephant up there. As I pull forward, you can kind of see her to the right of that dirt mound in the center.
You see the baby, Bells?
Yeah, there's 4 elephants, I see.
So this little baby elephant is going to celebrate her first birthday on the 13th of December. So she's almost 1 year old. Now she still has lots of growing left to do. As I mentioned, these female elephants will weigh in around 8,000 pounds. She currently weighs in a little over 800. And since she is a female, she'll stay with this herd for her entire life.
We're in the water.
But now, over to the left, there's another animal that we know and love. It's the greater flamingos. So, of course, we know that flamingos are pink. Some white rhinoceroses. So white rhinos get their name from the Afrikaans word wyd, which actually means wide. So that's in reference to the wide shape of their jaw. So it's kind of rare to see these lions awake and alert at this time of day. Lions usually rest for about 16 to 20 hours of their day. They're much more active at night, since that's when their eyesight gets 6 times better. Now those are 2 female lions up there. At nighttime, it's the females who will head on out and do the hunting for the pride. And the males hang back and make sure that their pride
Speaking of the
is
male,
protected.
look,
Now I think we
boy
are
lion.
lucky enough to see a male over to the
Bells.
left.
You see the
Now,
boy
this is a
lion?
younger male, so as you can see, his mane isn't fully grown in yet.
Hi, boy lion.
Usually the fuller and darker color that a lion.
Most of the time, he's sleeping on the rock.
He's a bit more active because he did get some good watermelon with training, so he's feeling a little more energized.
Look at that little fishy. Like right in front of you.
Yeah, all these fish clean up after our hippo. They also help keep him clean too.
What the heck? He pulled her. There's always one on the lookout, right?
And the rest are always playing. I thought they were gonna be a little
Go ahead. You know the problem with holding you and holding my phone like this?
Wow.
I'm going to take a picture.
I can take a
Are
picture.
you okay?
I can take you a picture.
Fine, push the white button.
Boop. Boop. I said boop.
Yeah, it takes it. But it's also still taking a video. Go ahead, Bells. I pushed the wrong button.
Gently, Lincoln. Gently.
What is this?
His favorite things to do is eat, snacks, clothes, anything he can get his hands on. If he could, he would.
Sounds like the mouse from Cinderella.
Pretty fitting name for Gus Gus, huh?
Charlie, wait your turn. Buddy.
Wait here. Oh, Charlie.
Sorry.
Oh!
I don't think it's gonna break because it's playing with a stick. You see it over there playing with a stick? It's like a dog playing with a stick. I'm like too high up, but or the fence is in the way. The one by the fence is playing with a stick. I don't think it's gonna bray back at you.
Gabby's like, I will not get up until I get my lunch. She's protesting.
I'm doing
I don't think that the cow's gonna respond.
Hey, sheepy.
And you waving to the cow.
He did it.
If you listen, the cow is making a noise. Bella, stop.
They're just like hover. They're like, yes.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
There's way more people here. There's way more people.
Excuse me, I do not like that hay you just put on the ground. I want the hay in my basket. The cow's finally getting food. I told you it's a girl moo cow because there's only girl moo cows. snot wasn't on the French fries. Because the snot was hitting my throat. Okay, bye. Dino Land is headed for extinction. Fairly soon, actually. In a little over a month, it starts to go away. But I guess we kind of got to turn-ish. Because if you want to go on Triceratops, talking's hard. Okay. Hi, birdie. What? That's normally how we do it. It's a chocolate chip cake with cookie dough insert, it said, and white chocolate mousse. I don't know. It's the snack for Santa. It looks really tasty.
Yes, it does.
Christian, you got a big mouth. You try first. I'll get you a bite next.
Good?
Very tasty. Very chocolatey, but it's perfect.
Yeah. Your mouth is going to be red for the rest of the day from that icing. This is from Restaurantosarus. It's also topped with a chocolate chip cookie.
Can I have some of that?
Yes.
A little bit of everything. It's not working out for me. Very tasty.
You probably wouldn't have just wanted that chocolate chip.
So it's like the mini muffins with icing on top.
It's really good.
Yeah. I like it. sun's at, but the dinosaur is wearing a Santa hat.
No way. No way. It's the boy and the dog from up. Yeah.
It's a giant anteater. It eats as many as 30,000 bugs a day. Come back out, little, I mean not little, big dude. Got a long tail, big bushy tail. I see it. Swirly tail.
Oh, I'm sorry. It's okay. You're good. Oh.
Is that what you want to learn about next week?
Yeah. You should learn about these.
I love this.
Oh, okay. We are done at Animal Kingdom, and we're gonna go to the car and drive over to Hollywood Studios. Bunch of people coming in right now, but they don't got a lot of lines open. We're at Hollywood Studios where Christmas exploded everywhere. It's like old-timey Christmas exploded, like way before my time Christmas. Lots of cool Christmas decorations, and I think I hear Indiana Jones boulders rolling. We apparently find ourselves here on Dapper Day, and in the like 3 minutes we've been in the park, we've seen a lot of people here for Dapper Day, including someone that was in a full tuxedo. How was Railway?
Good.
Yeah. Christian,
It always is.
how was Railway?
Good.
That's pretty much all we've done in this park is go on Railway and look at decorations. We saw some stuff we haven't seen before, and we've been on that ride a whole bunch of times.
Yeah, what was it?
Well, we saw some other hidden Mickeys.
Oh
and
yes, so we also saw, if you turn your vision to the right between the area that Mickey and Pluto are in, and alright, so when you get Goofy's train car back, turn, which way is that again? Left, and then you'll see where it comes from.
Yeah, we saw some other hidden Mickeys and some other stuff. So now we're gonna go watch Vacation Fun, because that's what you want to do here today. It was Railway, Vacation Fun, and then Star Tours. And we're gonna pick up a Christmas cheesecake. Potato Land. Potato Land. Potato, potato, potato. How was your flight on Star Tours? How was your flight? How was your flight?
It was a wonderful flight. Kind of rocky, but you know.
Yeah, we got what? Poe and Finn and lots of red salt. Now
I can't see a bit.
Now we're ordering gingerbread cheesecake from Backlot Express.
It's not on the bloater.
Oh, okay, we're going to go get cheesecake from Backlot Express. We have the gingerbread cheesecake from Backlot Express, which I have no idea what it is. So,
It is a gingerbread cheesecake on a vanilla cookie topped with milk chocolate ganache, dulce de leche whipped cream, gingerbread chocolate decor, gold crispy pearls, and holiday sprinkles.
it's a lot. This was after tax $6.38.
I don't think that's too horrible. I like gingerbread.
one bite for each of you.
Okay. Christian.
Wait, hold on. Gingerbread's really good. It tastes like chocolate.
That's what that was.
I hope this is Maryland.
Okay, is it good? Is it good? What'd you get all over your sunglasses? I think you got whipped cream on your sunglasses.
It's real good.
It's good. It's creamy. Yeah, it's creamy, it's cheesy, it's got a nice ginger flavor to it.
It's not like overpoweringly. It's a subtle like spice to it, but it's nice and creamy. I like it. Hi, Gertie. We've also got some deer. I don't know if they're technically reindeer or not. Bella, Christian, did you have fun at Animal Kingdom and Hollywood Studios?
Yeah.
Okay, we went on a few rides today.
Wasn't even the captain.
It's true. Okay, so what was your favorite ride you went on today?
Star Tours.
Okay.
Let's see. The safari.
Yeah, it was pretty good, huh?
Yes. Yeah.
What
we got
about-
to see almost every animal.
What was your favorite animal we saw?
Squirrely tail. The anteater.
Yeah.
The baby zebra.
Okay, can you like stop flailing around?
Yeah.
It's very hard to keep you in the frame when you're flailing around. Fine.
Yeah.
Was out of the two holiday snacks, what was your favorite?
The gingerbread cheesecake. Alright, this is a hard one.
They were both good, right?
Yes, they were both equally good. They were both the best.
Cool. And Bella had some Mickey pretzel because she didn't eat as much breakfast as everyone else, so she was hungry at like 1:30. Very good. You have a good day?
I did. You?
Yep. It was coldish and then hottish.
Yeah, it was.
Lots of weather. It went from like 45 this morning to like 70-ish.
Yeah, I was right about there.
So it was a big temperature change. So what was your favorite animal today?
My favorite animal. Ooh. I liked seeing the lions out. That new young male lion. It's pretty fun.
Yeah.
And the gorilla was playing with the ball. That was pretty fun too.
Lots of cool animal happenings today, including the anteater being out. So that was cool. Which snack did you like the best?
Ooh. I'm gonna have to go with the Santa Snacks cupcake. It was really good. The cookie dough inside was really, really tasty, and the mousse was also very good. But I will also say that the gingerbread cheesecake was also very, very good.
Excuse me. Yeah, both of them were really good. Excuse me. I don't know which one I liked better. They were different.
Yeah.
They were both very good. I would get them both again.
Oh, absolutely.
So it was just a quick trip. It was only supposed to be 1 day at the park.
Yeah.
Turned into 2 days, 3 parks. Yay, annual passes. I literally got the Animal Kingdom park pass yesterday. Yes, annual pass holders still need park passes. But obviously you can get like day of, except Magic Kingdom was not available for today. But it is Saturday, a few weeks before Christmas. So, it was a nice trip. Next time we're down here, we'll be just Epcot for Festival of the Arts next month. But we have a lot of fun stuff coming up. I think currently this weekend, like tomorrow, our last time at Epcot is going up. And then I think I'm going to post Festival of the Holidays and then this to get the Christmas stuff out. And then I will post Pittsburgh, where we went to the Heinz History Center, which has some Christmas decorations in it, but it wasn't, you know, like specifically Christmas.
If you go to all 6 floors at the Heinz History Center, you get a pickle.
Not a real pickle.
But
Yes,
pickle.
it's a real pickle.
It's a real pickle
It
pin.
is real. Yeah, you get a Heinz pickle pin.
And I said there was 2 very fun play areas in the Heinz History Museum, but the best one was the foam room where there were foam things, and you got to build stuff out of it.
Very cool.
So there you go. It's been over a week since we were there, and she still remembers it. So that is impressive. But then, right after Christmas, we're going to Palo Duro. Again, if you've been watching us for a while, that there is a video of us there in 2020. Whoa. So yeah, we've got all that coming up. There's all kinds of Disney trips planned. We've got cruises coming up, Disney World. So lots of good stuff to experience and then post and for you all to watch. Speaking of watching, thank you for watching. If you've made it this far, we really appreciate it. And we will see you, I guess, next time we will see you will be Palo Duro, but the next time you see us will be the Heinz History Center. Thanks for watching.